Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ineshka Shuna Rosero.
And I'm Giancarlo O. Hontiveros.
And I am Princess Amelia G. Mercader.
And we are here at the Our Lady of the Perpetual Help Parish in Babag Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
And today we will be interviewing Sir yes. And today we're going to interview an artist here in Babag Lapu-Lapu City whose name is Roniel Lois Escabahug. He's a former baritone at the Silliman University campus choristers and Silliman University Men's Glee Club. He now serves as the current organization president at the University of Southern Philippines Foundation Music Department. Back in 2016, he became a member of the International Federation for Choral Music and the Philippine Choral Directors Association. In 2017, the Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music awarded him a distinction for his aptitude both in music theory. He is currently a part of the Choristers of Perpetual Harmonies and also a choir director at Our Lady of Perpetual Help Music Ministry. And lastly, he is a Bachelor of Arts in Music at the University of Southern Philippines Foundation.
So what first got you into music?
First, it was an inclination pagbata. Makadungog ko sa kong parents, mamina og music, papa na ko mismo. Then, akong mama and papa, magduet-duet sila. Nya, sa among family, gid namin nga culture kanang music bitaw. Kanang family gatherings, magkuan-kuan sila, magkanta-kanta, no? Pinoy kayo nga kultura ba? I got myself into film music, no? And my biggest inspiration sa kani nga journey is Ennio Morricone. Italian composer na siya. And I think it was the first time na I fell in love with music katong kadungog ko sa iyang kanang pieces bitaw.
Now, together, let's hear how he describes his music to the people who haven't heard it yet.
Mostly lang sa comments sa friends, sa mga workmates, they'd say my music is very melodic. Kaya lang yun. Melodic, very easy to sing. Madong ka sa songs na ko. I try to avoid making melodies nga lisod kayo kantahon.
Kuya Lois also experienced struggles and challenges during the progress in pursuing his music career, just like criticisms and judgments on why did he ever chose to pursue this kind of career, and how did he cope?
Being an artist, ang atong food for growth is criticism. Ang makuha ta og kanang we treat criticism as something bitaw nga makatabang na to, dili siya makaguba na ba. So inana murag lahi siya nga point of view ba sa criticism.
So, how much did music impact your life, or are there any moments or reflections of realization of how music is kanang particular siya sa imong kinabuhi?
Mura siya inani murag ang nag-keep sa akong sanity kay ang music yun, like Nicolay music kay somehow dili ko na ko makonsider akong self nga significant sa world, something ana kanang if na ako'y something to do in this world, it has to be music, something ana. Start small, so bahalag gagmay kayo ng steps pero nag-make og progress kay eventually sa process mo grow ra gid ang imong skills. Number 2, kay work hard. Music is not just about emotions man good, so it has to be emotional, it also has to be logical. You really need to work hard. So ang imong emotional idea mo make siya og sense in the future. Timeless siya nga music. Always support kanang the artist put around you. Kay samot na if say mo craft music, maka-help sila nimo, maka-help yun sila nimo, like makakahoy kanila ba, mangahoy kanila ba, makapangahoy po sila nimo.
In ending this interview, if you could leave one quote to the whole world, ano sa'yo ma-share na?
Sige. Kuan, my favorite quote is from Kuan, Theodore Roosevelt. Wala ko ka remember sa exact words, pero it's not the critic who counts daw. It's not the critic nga mo point kung asa ang tao ni stumble ba. But it's the man who's really who is doing the actual work. So katong tao nga nikaon og dust, nikaon og abog ang matter. So it means kuan kanang if you want to do something, don't let the pain of perfectionism hinder your kuan bitaw kanang future glory. So if you want to do something, do it every day. If you think you are a composer or an artist, like or a painter, kanang do it every day. Sa unsa ka gamay bitaw.
Hapitun tika iski na sa inyo ha magdala kog tag mamiso pagdali bayag gamay kay di lang ta magtugay pangulik taog sa'yo magdala ko